Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a viral makeup and hair TikTok I did. People have been asking me for an everyday makeup tutorial as well as how to do this specific look, so I figured I'd hop on and do it. This is a really fun and pretty easy makeup look, and I also wear these buns almost every day, so it's a good hairstyle to know. Also note this video will be a mirror image. I actually film on my iPhone and I use my front-facing camera, so when I'm working on my blue eyeliner, it's on the right side of my face and it'll appear on the right side of the screen. So you can just copy and it'll be the same. But either way, it doesn't really matter which side is black and blue, you know, so do what you want. So if you're interested in this makeup look or this hair, or you want to see a final fit at the end, then keep watching. So first we gotta clip the bangs. So I'm pretty minimalist and I don't start with a base. I just go in with concealer. So I'm gonna be using this Tarte Ultra Creamy concealer. I like that it's ultra creamy because it just blends really well, I feel like. And this is like the perfect coverage I need since I'm like not using foundation. And I just put it in those locations. I use my hands to rub it in, which like people have scolded me and said that I'm getting bacteria all over my face. But I have pretty clear skin and I use my hands, so I think it's fine. Also note, this is like my basic makeup routine other than the blue eyeliner. So everything else I'm gonna be doing is like what I wear in all my YouTube videos. We're hitting two birds with one stone with the everyday makeup tutorial plus the fun eyeliner. Okay, now that we're looking more alive, we're gonna go in with my setting. Oh, just see that fly? We're gonna go in with my setting powder from ROCKSTAR. I've literally been using, that's so much. Sorry guys, I've never noticed how much I put on. I've used Laura Mercier since literally ever. Probably since maybe a year after I started doing makeup, and I started playing with makeup when I was like 13. So ever since like freshman year of high school maybe. And I think it's a holy grail. I mean, I keep buying it, so hopefully it's doing something. Okay, now the brows. Brows is like one of the most important parts for me because I don't really like my brows. So we gotta fill them in and make them stick all day. And to do that, I use this got to be ultra glued styling gel. Pretty sure it's for like men's hair, but it really does the trick. So I'm just gonna, oh my god. I'm just gonna put the gel on my eyebrows and like brush the eyebrows up into the diagonal, you know, looking like Bella Hadid or Kendall Jenner. Who was the girl that was like doing her eyebrows like this that blew up on social media and like made it a trend? But do that because that's what I do. I don't know, I've never questioned doing it any other way. I do kind of like the lifted look. Okay, we've got to let that dry for a little bit, so we're gonna go for blush now. I've also been using this blush forever. It's Tarte in the shade Risque. And oh, I literally just painted my nails before this video. Hello, can't focus it, but it's already chipped. That's what I get for doing it right before doing my makeup. Anyway, here's a color. Ooh. Hey girl. Here's a color, and I use this e.l.f. powder brush. I just go from up here down to my cheek. Oh, that's really pigmented. I feel like doing my makeup in my iPhone camera is so much different than doing it in my mirror in my bathroom. Surprise, like never would have guessed that. Then after I like put it on my cheeks and put it on my like tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, that's what we looking like. I'm feeling like my brows should be pretty dry by now. So let's take our eyebrow pencil. Ooh. Like everyone else and their mother, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I've also been using this ever since I can remember, and it's the holy grail of brow products. So just comb out the hairs, draw a line to make them like stay together. Look how good that looks. Wait, that looks so good, guys. Like, look how perfectly shaped. My brows are also different shapes, so filling them in really helps me to like even them out. Already looking much nicer than before. Okay, so it's actually still pretty wet, so I'm actually gonna stop and do the eyeliner and come back to the brows. Okay, this is the best part, the eyeliner. So I use NYX Epic Ink liner. It's the best. I've tried a lot of eyeliners through the years, and by far this is the best one. I love the applicator. It's liquid and it's like a felt tip brush. It goes on like really easy. You'll see it glides on. It's good at staying too. I have it in the shade black. So let's draw this wing. I literally just take it from like the corner of my eye and draw look. Here we go. Boom. The start of the wing. Now I'm gonna take that tip and connect it like over here. And then just fill it in. Like that. That's actually a really good wing. I'm really impressed with myself. Okay, now we're gonna do the color side. I'm gonna use this blue color I got from Glam Vice. I think they might be called Gavisi now. And it's the retro liner. And the shade is Bell Bottoms. But I also have like a lot of their other colors. Here's like my collection. So you can do any color you want. I recommend their retro liner line. That's probably the best colors. And I would try to get the darker ones because they show up more. But yeah, this is what we'll be using. So these are dip eyeliners, so you have to have water. So I'm using my brush that I got from Morphe. It's an eyeliner brush. It's M250-0. I'm gonna dip it in my water, get in there, and you can see like it becomes wet. Just gonna stir around, get a little bit of that like wet product on my brush, and it looks like this, kind of just like a paintbrush. And we're gonna do the exact same line drawing that we did on this side. So yeah, I just kind of eyeball it and hope that the wing is about the same angle. Alas, I have no statistical method. I just kind of go for it and hope it looks even, and it looks pretty even, so yeah. Now let's connect it. Okay. Oh, look at how that looks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I just remembered that my brows are in the process of drying and I don't want them to get too dry before I apply the brow pencil. So we're gonna go back, take a little break from the eyeliner. There we go. Look at that. I love this brow, like. And I'm not a super perfectionist with my makeup because I'm not a beauty guru. So I don't really like care about making them too perfect, but like this is pretty good. You know, do your best. Okay, now in the makeup look at my TikTok, I did some like lower eyeliner on both sides. So I'm gonna replicate that. But normally this would be my like everyday eyeliner look. Well, this would be black, but this is the shape. So we're gonna create like 3 little triangles on each side. So I'm gonna start here in like the corner of the eye and then do one more middle-ish and then one close to the right-ish. And I try to also make them like curl in so they kind of look like lashes. So there's one. If you can see, I did the first line on the left and then I kind of slightly curved in the right line and then filled it in. Now I just like guesstimate how far in and just draw another one. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just guesstimate how far you want to put it in. And then on the last one, I'm gonna curl it in the other way. Kind of like to emulate how like lashes curl. These curl in this way. They all curl into like the center, I think. Boom. So now we have the black side and let's do the blue side. I'm trying to like look at the black and like match the width, like about a fingernail. Now let's do mascara. So I start with one of these scary contraptions that guys don't know what is. Lash curler. So let's curl our lashes. I saw this on TikTok and I feel like it actually works. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then like squeeze it lightly like this for 30 times. 30. Let's do it again. Yay. Yeah, they look much better. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, Lash Paradise. So I'm gonna put the mascara like underneath and then I'm gonna go on top and put it on top and then underneath again. And make sure you're getting like all of your lashes from like the center to the very edge. Ooh, look at her. Now let's do the other side. Okay, bottom lashes. Okay, we're almost there, guys. She's looking really cute. Now we're gonna do some faux freckles. I don't have real freckles obviously. I think freckles look really cute and I wish I had them naturally, but alas, we have to use makeup. So I'm going to be using my Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's the Artistry palette. I'm also using an unidentified spoolie. I think this is from when I used to use Anastasia's Dip Brow. I think this was like the brush that I got it with, but literally any tiny brush will work. I just use like the tip of this angled brush. Dip it in, just get a little tiny bit and then dot it. I start at my nose, just do a bunch of like, little dots. Now see, this looks crazy right now, but trust the process. The less powder you can get on the brush, the better, because the dots will come out smaller, which is like more realistic. And yeah, I just bring them from the nose out to the cheek, just like randomly dot. Now, because she'd be looking kind of like this will look fake to people, but to make it look real, just dab all of them and they kind of like start to fade. Dab, 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 dab. I think I'm funny. And then once you've dabbed enough, look how natural that looks. One of my best friends, actually, she wasn't wearing makeup the other day and I was like, oh my god, you look so beautiful, I love your freckles. She was like, I love your freckles too. And I was like, oh yeah, they're fake. And she was like, what? And I was like, yeah. So she actually thought they were real and we've been best friends for like 2 years now. And only did she find out very recently that they are fake, and it's because I told her. So do this method and you'll really look like you have real freckles. Now we're just gonna finish off with some inner highlight eyeliner and lipstick. I use Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner and You're Always White. That's a weird name. Anyway, it's a pencil. I'm just gonna literally draw like color in the corners basically. Just like that, boom. So little money for such a cute payoff. To the lip now. Starting with lip liner, I use this NYX Suede matte lip liner in Downtown Beauty. I'm just gonna trace my lips. I like to kind of attach like the top 2 ridges of my top lip and make it kind of like more straight looking. And then the rest I trace normally. I'm gonna bring in some of the liner towards my lips. This will help with the blending that will have to happen with the lipstick. Okay, now that I'd be looking crazy, let's add the lipstick. I'm actually using this heck old Kylie Jenner lippy. This has been with me many a year. I think I've had this again since I was like 14. Obviously, I don't change my makeup products that often, but I guess I just found the holy grail ones. This is the Kylie matte lipstick in the shade 20. I'm just gonna put it center my lips like so and work outwards. And then I also just like mix as I go. Sometimes I'll go back in with the liner, do this. Another option for the color is Revlon's Rum Raisin. I actually love that color and it's much cheaper. So maybe check out Rum Raisin. It's also one of my favorite colors. But after I've done that, the way I almost said I go in with my glue, that would have been scary. I go in with my petroleum jelly. The fanciest product I've got, guys. But this is basically just Vaseline hydrating for your lips and it looks really good as a gloss. Ooh. Does that not look refreshing, glowy, kissable? It's the holy grail of lip glosses, guys, because you can also use it just to hydrate your lips, so it's a 2-in-1. Yeah, that's it. Now we're just gonna put our setting spray on. I use Urban Decay All Nighter, also a holy grail. Ooh. Now let's let the bangs free from their captivity, and boom. Here's makeup look. Let's do the hair now. Okay, these space buns were so popular on TikTok. Like everyone in the comments of this video were asking for me to do my hair, but it's actually really hard to tutorial because I kind of just like throw them up really fast without thinking about it, but I'm gonna try my best. So we're gonna start by splitting my hair down the middle. We're gonna go in with a normal size hair tie. Okay, this is actually really hard to demonstrate slowly, so first I'm gonna do it fast so you can see how I like the motion and then the end result, and then I'll try to break it down slowly. So taking the first section of hair, here we go. Boom. It's kind of different how it looks every time, so let me do it again really fast and show you the result. Here's another one. See, it's more messy. Let's do it one more time. Turn more for like a side angle. And here's a third time. When I do it, it's so random. So you just kind of have to like keep doing it until you get like the desired look. Okay, let's try doing this slow.
Hello friends, it's future editing Allie, and I just realized it's insanely difficult to describe how to do these buns. So I'm just gonna play this clip slow motion and hopefully it'll help. Honestly, just like playing around with twisting your hands, and that's how I do it, and that's how it turns out different every time. So yeah, but I hope this helps someone.
Boom, bun. But after you're done with bun 1, time for bun 2. Boom. And boom, there's the buns. They look so cute. I hope that my tutorial helped as much as it could. Let's finish it off with an outfit. So I feel like the little buns and the blue eyeliner is giving very a ROCKSTAR vibe. So we're gonna do a ROCKSTAR fit. So we got the ROCKSTAR buns, a ROCKSTAR eyeliner. I'm thinking we could go with this thrifted beaded backless halter that I got from Salvation Army. So let's try it on. When I found this top at Salvation Army, I literally screamed because it's so cute and it literally gives like 70s rock star like so much. The leather with the like gemstones, literally 70s rock star, and it holds the girlies in without a bra so we can have that sexy open back. And we can get a little peek too if we want, or we can zip it up all the way. What do we think? Peeksies or modest? I kind of want to give it a little peeksies. Let's put on some bottoms. I also thrifted this black mini skirt. Has a little slit, so it's cutesy. It's a little bit big, like it kind of wants to slide down, but I want it to be high-waisted, so we're gonna belt it. We're gonna rock with this studded belt. Literally matches this top so well. Where do you think I got this, guys? At the thrift. What? At the thrift? Allie goes to the thrift. Surprise, guys. We're gonna just belt it. I'm gonna kind of like fold it up because I want it to be shorter than it is right now. You see, it's kind of a little too long, so I'm gonna like fold it once or twice, maybe twice, so it's a little more mini. And then I'm gonna belt it and cover that fold so I can't even tell. And boom. And she's looking like a hot rock star. Ooh. I have an idea. What is a ROCKSTAR girlfriend without some fishnets? I actually layered them underneath as like a top thing with the little thumb holes. Let's add some accessories. Okay, obviously this cross necklace, because cross necklaces I feel like were huge. I have to slide it over my head. That's kind of cute. Cross necklaces were huge, I feel like, in 70s rock scene. Look how cute. That already looks so good. And then I'm also thinking this like chain heart necklace. And guess what? I thrifted the cross necklace at Goodwill and I bought the necklace off of Depop. So everything is secondhand right now except for the fishnets. Then we'll add the matching heart earrings. And I also thrifted these, I think, at Goodwill. And I just love the bedazzlement. So I hate to say ROCKSTAR again, but ROCKSTAR. Let's just take a moment for the look. Shoes, let's do it. Y'all are not ready for this one. It's time for my monster boots. Unfortunately, these were not the thrifted. They are the brand Demonia. But every once in a while, you gotta buy those boots you've been wanting for over 2 years. So it was my time. I rewarded myself. And now, here's the final look. I am probably 5 inches taller than I normally am now. Ooh, guess my height without shoes on in the comments. I'm interested to see if y'all think I'm a short or tall girl. I'm definitely, if anything, tall right now. I feel like I'm crushing it. Like, I can stomp on anyone's face right now. Oh my god, I forgot one more thing to complete the look. My actual electric guitar. Now I'm really a ROCKSTAR girlfriend. Well, I guess I'm actually the ROCKSTAR. We're making our way. We're not anyone's girlfriend. We're just the ROCKSTAR. End of sentence. If you liked this makeup look or these face buns or the outfit or all of it, then please like and comment below. Definitely comment how tall you think I am because I'm genuinely curious. People usually get my height wrong, so I want to know what y'all think. Also, please subscribe if you like my content, and you can join our beautiful family here on the tube. And you can follow my other socials here and shop my Depop here. And I appreciate y'all's support so much. I'm really so blessed. I've been growing so fast on YouTube and it's my biggest dream. I feel like this is the best era of my life and I'm just so grateful for y'all. Obviously I couldn't do this by myself and I just want y'all to know how much I appreciate y'all and I read all your comments. So chat with me in the comments. Y'all are the best. I'll see you next time. Bye.